Good morning. Excuse me. Are you waiting for the elevator?
Yes, I am. Good morning. I don't think we've met before.
No, I don't think so either. I am new here. My name is Katherine.
Nice to meet you, Catherine. I'm David. Welcome to the company.
Thank you, David. It's always a bit nerve wracking on the first week, trying to get used to new faces and new routines.
I can imagine. Don't worry, everyone here is pretty friendly. Which department are you joining?
I just joined the marketing department. I'll be working as a content strategist.
That sounds exciting. I'm in the finance department, so we don't directly work together, but I'm sure our paths will cross.
I'm sure too. Finance and marketing always end up meeting sooner or later, right? Budgets and campaigns need to align.
That's true. So, how are you finding things so far?
Honestly, a little overwhelming. The office is bigger than my last one, and there are so many people, but at the same time, it feels energetic. Everyone seems busy and professional.
Yes, it can feel busy at first, but after a few weeks you'll find your rhythm. Where did you work before this?
I was with a small digital agency in Manchester. It was a tight team, but I felt like I needed a new challenge.
I see. So this is quite a step up for you. Larger company, more clients, bigger projects.
Exactly. I wanted to push myself and also to learn from more experienced colleagues.
Which floor are you on?
The sixth floor, marketing.
I'm on the fifth. So we'll be neighbors.
Nice to meet you, David. See you again.